In today's tech video, we are going to compare the Nest Hub versus the Echo Show and show you which one I think is better. Okay, this is just a quick comparison video of these two This is the digital screen assistants. At first glance here, you can see that one is better or bigger than the other. This one here has a 7-inch screen. This is the Nest Hub. This one over here is the Echo Show, and it has a 5.5-inch smart display. One is built with Hey Google. This one is built with Alexa. And as you can tell, I just activated this one by saying those magic words. Hey Google, stop. So as far as hearing your voice, these things are very good at picking up. You don't even have to speak very loudly before they get activated, which is kind of scary because they are always listening. But to compare the two, you can see that this one is a 7.5 or 7-inch display, 5.5, but the clarity on this one is greater than this one. Now it could be because it does have a better or bigger screen, but as far as the definition, the high definition of the displays, I would give this one the edge. Let's take a look at the back side of it. As you can see, it's got that fabric mesh all the way around it. There is a button here on the top that if you swipe that over, that'll turn off the microphone. Over here on the side, there is a volume control button, and that's all as far as the buttons go on the Nest Hub. Over here on the top side, well, let's go ahead and look at the side angle of it. That's what it looks like on the side. Another mesh fabric feel, and the speaker comes out on the back side. Here is the power button that turns, or not the power button, if you push that, that'll eliminate it from being activated by voice. Turn it on again, and then now it's activated. Here's the volume control. There's a plus and minus symbol, and then here, this will turn off the camera that is right there if you can see it. Now this Nest Hub does not have a camera, so in that aspect, this one does get the edge over the other one. As far as the actual Google Assistant that's built into these devices, I've always been a fan of Amazon's Alexa a little bit better than the other one. But it could be because I have more of these devices hooked up than the other, but they're pretty comparable. So I would put them on the same playing field as far as the way the integration is on the inside and how smart they are. They will both do pretty much the same thing. They'll give you the weather. If you need to spell a word, it'll give you the spelling and put it both on the screen. That's actually the feature that I use it for the most, is spelling words. If you do want to listen to music, both of them will access music. This one uses Amazon's music. This one will use like YouTube sometimes to play its music. But yeah, I think as far as a budget screen voice assistants go, these are both a couple of really good options. This one does tend to run a little bit more, but you can usually find it on sale during the holidays or Black Fridays and any of those types of holidays where they mark devices down. Amazon is always running deals on these during holidays, so that's when I would probably buy one if I were you. But I think you can't go wrong with either one. This one has a better screen, but this one has a better voice assistant in my opinion. So either one, I think you'll be fine. Hopefully this will give you some help on deciding which one it is that you're wanting to buy if you're in the market for one of these type of devices. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.